how to do a squat. So guys, you might have heard many different people telling you different kind of theories that how to do a squat. Now some people say that doing a 90-degree squat is more effective. Some people believe that going full down deep squat is more effective. Some people say like while doing a squat your toes should be pointing straight. Some people say that while doing a squat your toes should be pointing 20 degrees out. Some people even believe that while doing a squat you should stretch your hip back. Guys, not only this, I have done 3 different certifications for personal training. Each certification will tell you a different thing. Now the question is, who is right? The answer is very simple guys. For that you need to understand 3 basic things. First, what is a squat? Sitting down and then standing up. This is a squat. This is a movement that you perform 100 times a day guys. So while performing this movement, you don't think that are you stretching your hip back or your knees are pointing out. You just perform the movement. So why you think so much when you do a squat in a gym? Second point is your body anatomy. Every person has a different body structure. Now your squatting stance depends on your body structure. Some people might be comfortable in wide stance. Some people are comfortable in a normal stance. So it all depends on your body anatomy. How your hip and your femur bone is locked. So guys, no one is wrong whether you do a wide stance, whether you do a normal stance, whether your toes are in, whether your toes are out. The most important thing is you have to be comfortable while performing a squat. Otherwise, if you're not able to balance your body, then you'll not be able to perform a squat. Third, last and the most important point. A squat is one of the best powerlifting movement. So do it like a powerlifting movement. So while performing a squat, if you're concerned about stretching your hip, you'll never be able to give your 100% or you'll never be able to give your best performance while doing a squat. So the takeaway from today's video is, while performing a squat, stand in the best comfortable stance that you can. Go down till the point where your back is not arched and just get up. This is a simple squat. So I hope you guys have understood what I was trying to explain. Like and subscribe this channel if you want further updates of my upcoming videos, and please share this video with all those who don't know how to do a squat. Thank you.